Greeted with bare shelves and long lines, some shoppers have begun to worry about having enough to eat. Supermarkets like this one continue to find themselves low on pasta, rice, and tinned goods. But as the pandemic continues, governments have stressed the same message: do not panic buy.
There has been no food shortage in France, and there will be no food shortages. That is a commitment we made with the Minister of Agriculture. The commitment was kept thanks to the exceptional mobilization of the entire food production chain. And I think it is a source of pride for all of us to say that, in France, food safety is guaranteed, even in times of crisis.
But not all EU members are making such bold promises, recognizing that it can meet the supply and demand needs. Germany is bringing in 40,000 seasonal workers from Bulgaria and Romania to harvest seasonal crops like strawberries and asparagus. The European Commission has moved to keep the food supply chain flowing. Priority traffic lanes have kept goods on the road despite COVID-19 restrictions by cutting down lengthy queues at borders. But industry leaders say the absence of unified measures means key fruits and vegetable provisions are now in danger. One solution could be an EU-wide easing of travel bans to allow more seasonal workers to fill the labor gaps across the bloc.
I think that's a very important problem. It depends on the member states to provide the rules to move the seasonal worker to the right place. If we don't have a seasonal worker to pick the product which are rightly available now, we will produce food waste. If we don't prepare the orchard for the summer and the autumn orchard production, then we will have a problem of lack of availability in the shelf, and that could lead to increase of prices.
Social distancing requirements are also putting pressure on the industry to get food on shelves. Thousands of tons of what's produced in Europe normally is sold around the world, but cargo ships are struggling to set sail and more food is going to waste. Worldwide curfews could mean that key staples such as rice, wheat, and soybean may join the list of commodities in short supply. So what can be done? Experts say for starters, firms can boost their output. They say this will be a vital step toward resuming normal production once the pandemic ends. Ryan Thompson, Euronews.